Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get back to TurboTax Free without having to start over and erasing your data. However, keep in mind that the plan that you are on will affect this decision. Meaning, if I go here to switch products from the menu on the left, and if I go to upgrade, for example, here you'll see two categories of plans: the do-it-yourself and the live, where the experts help you. Now, if you are on one of the live plans, the basic, deluxe, or premium, unfortunately, you cannot return to the free without clearing your information. However, if you are on one of the do-it-yourself, like the deluxe or premium, you can get back to the free edition without deleting or removing your information. And doing so is pretty easy. Simply from the menu on the left here, under the switch products drop-down menu, click on downgrade. Do not click on clear and start over. And here they tell you that the free edition is for simple tax returns only, and if you downgrade to free, you will no longer have access to these features. However, if you wish to continue, simply click on the downgrade to free edition button and you will be on the free edition.